Hello everybody. We are trading crypto once again, and I decided to go back to one of my favorite altcoins, Avalanche, or symbol AVAX, AVAX. And we're going to go kind of deep in the past here because why not? We're just feeling nostalgic, and we're going to replay the candles as if they were new. And we're going to do it on the 15-minute chart. We're going to go there. Now what we're going to do, we're adding up the wins, we're adding up the losses. We're figuring out what the ratio is, the amount per day, and the win percentage. And then we're going to try to get a realistic one-year estimate of what you could make starting out with $10,000 if you were able to trade. And sometimes that gets pretty crazy. And the total market supply of crypto can be a factor. So anyway, that's what we're doing. We're going for AVAX, baby. Mad gains. It's looking very ranging. Now, we did get a cross there. MACD cross. This is pretty solid. Let's go for that. And we are going for the middle line as the stop loss. Didn't quite hit it. Technically, if it went down that much, I would have probably gotten out somewhere before this, but let's call that 401% gain. Alright, so let's not just grasp at anything. How much is that middle line? This is probably going to go down, but I'm not betting on it. Yeah, okay. I don't like the direction of the oscillator. Okay, ADX just isn't looking good enough. Alright, we're getting a bit of a curve up here. That defies this. Large volume, tail that way means it should go up. The fact that it didn't is surprising. It's going to shake people out of a lot of long positions. We're going to go for that as the stop loss, and we're going for a short. And we broke down these levels. We probably need to just scooch this over. Why is this so big? Alright. That is a sign of weakness. We did get a little profit though. That's what, I think 0.26. So we're not doing horrible. That wasn't a home run. Yep. Sign of weakness. This was when it's not doing what you want. Good traders get out quickly and they let their winners ride. Oscillator's not looking good enough. But this volume's looking pretty good, and that's looking pretty good. If the ADX wasn't looking so stellar and the volume wasn't there, this would be something I wouldn't take. We're going there, middle line is the stop loss. Alright, that's pretty high volume for very little result. So we did make a little. We're just nickel and diming it. If we get another big push. See, this is tough. This does look like it's kind of sloping down. We're getting that. And it's below a lot of stuff. Let's see this. That's just a wick. This is a pretty solid move. Gotta stay hydrated. I don't know. Volume is not really clearly decreasing. I'm gonna say this line is the stop loss, and that's what we're going for. Okay. It didn't quite touch that line. When I say that line, it means where it is on that candle. That's huge volume, we have to get out. But we didn't lose very much. Only 3.5. So we still got a pretty good ratio going. If this goes down again, yeah, okay. That was going to be really surprising if it did. If this stuff wasn't there, it should have gone up anyway. No. That is kind of a red, green, red. But no, I don't do these. Sorry. Too many moving averages in the way. Now it broke through them. We didn't really get increasing volume though. Oscillator is pointed the right way. And this did define, yeah. Maybe we have to go for it. Let's just go for like something. No, I'm not doing this. Just gonna maybe go for a small stop loss there. Alright. That broke pretty confidently through, honestly. And it's above that previous high. Let's go for this. That line is the stop loss. And it hit it. 179, baby. Should I let it ride? No. Alright, that's pretty good. This was a no supply candle, meaning continuation. No, I don't know. Yep. Wow. That's very dramatic. How much could we do here? I'm gonna say, look, this is like nothing, okay? It would be crazy if it broke through all these moving averages. Now, I'm not gonna do risky stuff. Yeah. Gotta learn not to take unnecessary risks. We gotta keep the averages really good. I did not mark down what time we started. Okay. I'm remembering this slightly earlier and earlier. I think it was right here. 11, 27, 8, 45. 11, 27, 21, 8, 45. We need to be able to figure out the daily averages. I knew something was wrong. Alright, if this goes up, that's kind of good. I don't know. Actually, yeah, okay. We've got this tipping up, increasing volume. This is leveling out. It's almost green. This would have almost been a color change. And, yeah. Let's try that middle line stop loss. Okay. Getting out. 1.7. Remember, winners bail out quick and let their winners ride. Nope. Alright. Let's see. I feel like it's going here, but I'm not going to take the risk. We're just doing this for fun. Yeah. Got to get it out of my system sometimes. It's not really increasing volume. This isn't really good enough. This is getting less good. That's why we didn't do it. Alright, and we are... It's probably going to hit the yellow line. Okay, not going to. Let's wait for that ADX to just start looking good. We don't have to just take everything. Okay, so that broke through both of those. Got increasing volume. How much is that? Let's say we're risking 1% for that much. Okay, didn't hit the line. Gonna get out at 0.22. Yeah, okay. Made the right call getting out there. This just ain't looking good enough. ADX is not feeling it. Gotta be like smart. Don't just go for everything. Don't go for everything that looks like it could be a trade. Okay, we have increasing. ADX isn't good enough. We're starting to get it tip up. It's getting pretty close. We're above some stuff. Yeah, there's a little bit of a disparity there. I'm going to say this top line, 125 for that. Yeah, baby. So that's 89, 89. Ratio staying pretty good. We go again, no. Lots of volume, shorter candle. Yep, meant it was slowing down. So this one, it broke through the VWAP. That's the blue line, volume weighted average price. And if you look at the ADX here, it's red, but it was just flat. Then it started bending up. Got the oscillator looking even better, getting pretty close to the cross, which is sort of what you want. If we get another green, we might be in business here. This is getting to the point where we're needing Fibonacci's. I usually use Fibonacci's for when it's way out there. Let's go for the bottom of this candle with a wick, just right there-ish. It's above everything. Let's go for like that. Yeah, so you didn't touch that. It went up 104. It's pretty good. And let's wait for this to peter out, then we can call it a day. This might actually go up again. Nope. I bet this is going all the way down here. Okay. Yeah, it did touch the green line, but I didn't specify a stop loss, so It's not like I was really doing it. That was just hypothetical. I think out loud. Going down again. Nope. Okay. This might go up again, but the oscillator's downtrending. If we get a bump. What's our ratio? I'm going to say top line. It's only 5-7%. Let's go for that. Yeah, we're getting out. I think that's a day. It's only a 3-2 loss. This is a pretty good ratio, honestly. Alright, and that is 11:29. Whoa, this was only a couple days. This is going to be a really, really good estimate. 16. Alright, so now we're going to do the win-loss ratio estimate. I'm just going to copy this formula here. Yeah, it's 4.3. I was trying to get at least 4 to 1, but it's more than 4 to 1. Per day, this was 2, 8, 2 1/3. Yeah, 151. 1.51% per day. This is the win rate expressed as a percentage. I think of it as my score. That's like a B, depending on what grading system you use. Here we go again. I'm just curious. I love seeing what happens. Oh man, I bet that's going up again. Yeah. Alright. I'm not going to count any of that. So that means, okay, 15107. We're going to calculate what I realistically would be doing, sort of, if I was actually trading this, because I can only trade about half the day, a little more than half the day. So that's 75.75 per day, but I use 3x leverage. So that's effectively 2.266% per day gains. This is going to be a gigantic number. 2.266% per day, daily. We're turning $10,000 into $35 million in 1 year. All right, let's actually see what it'd be in 3 years. Quadrillions of dollars. Alright, so that's not bad. And that's the 15-minute charts. Tend to make better gains on the smaller time frame charts because you're getting more of the movements and stuff. But you have to check it more, sort of. I mean, you can set up alerts. But anyway, that's been crypto trading for today. Doing some Avalanche, nothing wrong with that. And appreciate you watching. Like and subscribe. Thanks.